What's going on, guys? In front of me is the Icon Airflite, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys today. All right, so let me give you a tour around the box. In the front, it says Icon, obviously. Icon Airflite helmet. I got it in gloss white. It does come with a clear shield as standard, and as you can see, it's a large size for people with big heads like me. So, Icon once again, and their website is righticon.com. So if you want to go ahead and check out a few of their helmets, go onto their website. All right, let's go ahead and open it. First thing you see is a picture of the helmet and some instruction manuals. Comes with a decal, it's pretty sweet. And an accessory pamphlet. Here you can choose different colors of the visors. It has replacement parts, just in case you break something, replacement liners, etc. Alright. Inside the box comes with another user manual. Alright, so inside the box you can see that it's secured by two foam pads, I guess that's what you can call them. Get out of there. Man, I'm so excited for this helmet. As you can see, Icon is doing something very unique with their helmets. Their visor goes all the way down to the chin. And I'm gonna point out here that there's holes on the visor. The reason why there's holes on the visor is because there's an intake and exhaust port right in front of the mouth. And you can open it and close it. And I believe there's three positions. You can have it semi-open, moderately open, and then all the way open. Okay? And since we're speaking about intakes, you have two intake switches up here that you can have open or closed, and the exhaust ports are right under this spoiler here, nicely tucked in. This is DOT certified, not Snell. All right, and to continue on with the visor, there is another visor in here, which you just hit the switch. This helmet does come with a dark smoked visor, but I think I did see in the accessory pamphlet that you can change out the colors. For the amount of money that I paid for this helmet, I would have liked for it to have a quick release strap, but it doesn't. It comes with the standard strap, but it does lock in place with this little buckle thing. Okay, I'm gonna read to you guys something here. This French. All right. Meets or exceeds DOT standards. Injection molded polycarbonate shell for strength. Multiple oversized intake and exhaust ports. Fog-free drop shield with exterior switch. Quick change fog-free flight shield with side plates, removable molded breath deflector, removable hydro-dry moisture wicking liner, recessed twin channel super vent cooling system. So on that tag it showed that this has a quick change visor. By that they mean you need to remove these side plates here. Lift this visor up, and it pops right off. And I bought me this bad gold visor here. I'm gonna put that on real quick. Come on, donkey. Ooh, baby. Tell me that doesn't look good. That thing looks amazing. I went ahead and bought this gold visor because, for one, I don't like people looking inside my helmet. Two, it seems very appealing that they can't see inside and it has a tint on it. Three, it matches my gold forks on my Grom. So that's pretty freaking sweet. So for those of you that are wondering how much I paid for this helmet, the helmet itself was $250. For the visor was another $50. So all in all, I paid $300, which I think it's a reasonable price for this helmet. I know you're paying mostly for the appearance look of it, but to me, it's worth it. So I hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.